Welcome to my content management SLO video by Ajacia Silver. By completing my Project 2 recommendation report, I really increased my knowledge in content management. And we know that students gain a foundational knowledge of the organization and management of complex and extensive digital and contextual information, and receive an introduction in information architecture, web content management, and social working. And so I was really able to increase my knowledge of these things. I chose to work in human resources, administration type department, and I really leaned on my stakeholders, and then my peers, and then my research, and then I would go back and research again and again, just to verify my information, but also get better ideas if it was out there. Uh, the things I used, the multimodal, the software that I used was Google Docs, Canva, Google Sites, Screencast, and YouTube for, of course, these videos. And so they were very helpful in making videos and content really fast. And again, the content management skill really grew with this project, and more importantly, my knowledge of web content management grew quite a bit. Thank you for your time, and have a